Exercise CompTIA Security plus Investigative Data Resource Production. So introduction. Welcome to the Investigative Data Resources Practice Lab. In this module, you will be provided with instructions and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. So learning outcomes in this module, you will complete the following exercise. Exercise 1, log file analysis. After completing this module, you should be able to analyze log files on a Linux device and analyze log files on a Microsoft device. So, examination of exam objectives. The following exam objectives are covered in this module. Given a scenario, data sources, support an investigation, log data, and data sources. Lab duration, it will take approximately 30 minutes to complete this lab. So, next, lab topology. During your session, you will have access to the following configuration. Depending on the exercise, you may or may not use all of the devices, but they are shown here in the layout to get an overall understanding of the topology of the lab. Next, so exercise 1, log file analysis. The cybersecurity specialist needs to monitor the log files of devices on the network regularly. Log files can be used to determine if there is any malicious activity or unauthorized access to devices. This exercise, the log files of devices will be analyzed. Outcomes. After completing this exercise, you should be able to analyze the log files on a device and then analyze log files on a Microsoft device. So these are your devices. Again, the devices that you will be using within this lab. Please power this on, which is as you can see, all of them are on already. So task 1, analyze log files on a Linux device. This task, the generated log files on a Linux device will be analyzed. Connect to this device. Open the terminal window from the activities window. ACIALMA. Connecting. So once you have connected, open the terminal window from the activities window. Step 2, in the terminal window, type the following. Sudo des log audit dash audit log and hit enter and password. Enter. Then step 3 slash So once you have hit enter after the password, go to step 3. So scroll down. You can now type. So ACI admin, hit enter, then slash SSHT for step 4, then step 5, the terminal Q, then step 6, sudo tail f dot var log audit dash audit dot log. Enter. So step 7, connect to ACI KALI. Then open the taskbar. So step 7, connect to ACI KALI. So once you have connected, open the terminal window from the taskbar. So here, is it here? Here, sorry. So terminal. So in the terminal window, type the following: SSH ACI AM ACI admin at 192.168.0.4 and hit enter. So type the following in the terminal. Yes. So click enter. Then step 10, type the following password to the terminal. Wrong password. Enter. So step 11. So step 11. So from step 10, which is wrong password. So step 10, wrong password again. So go back to ACI LMA. So password. So control C. Then once you click the scroll C or control C, scroll up and review the result. So task 2. So X natin na sila lahat. Close the terminal window on ACI LMA and then the ACI Scali. So close. So task 2. Analyze log files on a Microsoft device. Windows Server. The default logging of events that occur on the Windows Defender firewall is not enabled by default. In this task, logging on a Windows Server will be enabled. Step 1, connect to ACIDMO1. So in the type here to search text box, type the following. So type here, so type here to search Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Then step 2 in the Windows Defender, so click here. In the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window, select Windows Defender Firewall in the middle pane. If you want to check what is it saying, so here, look here. So step 3, on the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security on local computer pop up. Windows, select Customize in logging in. So if you want to check the picture, what it's saying, step 4. On the customized logging settings for the domain profile pop-up windows, select the following on the drop menus. So click OK. Step 5. Click the private profile tab on the Windows Defender tab, firewall with advanced security on local computer pop-up window. So step 6, on the Windows Defender firewall with advanced security on local computer pop-up window, select customize and logging in. So once you have clicked yes, okay. So step 8, go to public profile. So step 8, customize in the logging section. Then step 10, logging drop packets. Yes, and then log successful connection. Yes. Then click OK. Then step 11, Click OK on the Windows Defender Firewall Computer pop-up window. OK. Then step 12. Select inbound rules in the Windows selected Firewall Advanced Security. So Advanced Security, inbound rules. So select new rule in action. Then step 14, the new inbound rule wizard rule type. Window enable the custom radio button. Rule type, custom button. Then step 15, click next on the program page. Step 16, on the protocols and ports page, select IC MPv4 in the protocol type. Drop down menu. So next, step 17. Click next on the scope page, leaving the default selections. In step 18, select the block the connection radio button on the action page. So action, block the connection, and click next. Step 19, click next on the profile page. Then step 20, in the name page, enter the following in the name field: ICMP block. Then finish. Step 21, connect to ACI Kali. Open the terminal emulator window from the taskbar. So terminal emulator. Then step 22, in the terminal window, type the following: ping space dash C point 10 192.168.0.2. Hit enter. The ping command executed will send 10 ICMP packets to the ACIDM01 device. It can be seen that the command was not successful in sending the packets. Close the terminal. So close. So connect again to the ACID M01. So open the File Explorer on the taskbar. Then step 25, in the File Explorer, in the address file field, enter the following: C Windows System 32 log files firewall. Then enter. In step 26, in the File Explorer, double-click the pfirewall text document. So double-click. Step 27. In a pfirewall file, locate the ICMP drop log. The Windows Defender firewall has captured the packets from the ACI Kali device. A cybersecurity specialist can use these logs to investigate possible malicious activity. Close the notepad window. So close all windows on ACID M01 and AC Kali. So close. Next. Review. Well done. You have completed the Investigative Data Sources Practice Lab. Summary. You completed the following exercise. Exercise 1, log file analysis. You should now be able to analyze log files on the Linux device. Analyze log files on the Microsoft device. So feedback. So submit feedback. So shut down. So power off. So done. So exit.